Hunter, come. Alright, welcome back, guys. And today, we're going this way. That's right. How long has this been here, Trevor? It's been a minute. How long has it been here? How long has it been here?
How long has this been here?
Yes.
It's been here a long time, bro. It's been
So
too long.
Had this chilling, you know. We collected some cardboard and shit. So today, we're gonna take this out. And you might be wondering why this. You might be wondering why this has been in here for so long. Well, I'll tell you why. Because there's a tiny little recycling bin that this has all been in. So we're probably just gonna throw this all in the dumpster. I don't know if we'll get in trouble, but we're doing it.
Are we filming? Yeah, we're filming. Alright, we're good. Oh, Jesus, dude. Yo, boy. But
Feces. No feces. On 3. 1, 5, 6. Wait, which one's which? Shit.
I don't know. Hang on. Oh shit, bro. Someone's gonna see us doing this and we're gonna get in trouble.
I'm gonna pack it down as hard as I can.
Wait, ow, shit. Oh, jeez. Ow, you fuck.
Like,
Bro, hold on. No, there's no way.
Hold it open.
Bro, there's no way.
Okay, listen. We're gonna do it. Alright? Listen, you ever have, this is a tough foe, and you gotta beat this. You're trying to get past the big bull and like that shit, right? That shit in there. What's up?
Bro, someone's gonna see us doing this and they're gonna report us.
No, they're not gonna report us.
Bro, they were.
Stop being a little bitch, Trevor. What are you gonna get in life?
Night then.
What's up? Yeah, how much money?
Alright, okay, alright.
And that's how you beat up the bully, alright?
Alright, just doing some laundry, you know. Welcome back, everybody. What's going on here? What's out here? Hello? Hey, sir? Sir? Oh no, I'm locked out too now. Shit. Hey, sir? Oh shit. What do you think he's doing in there?
Sucking dick.
Probably.
Kind of hope that like an alarm would go off or some shit.
Welcome to the video.
You know how it is, what it be, what it
Trevor's being a little bitch.
Oh, you're a little bitch.
You're a
little bitch. Oh, I just took it from you, bro. You wanna just talk, bro? I highly doubt it. Oh yeah, let me throw your gun down the stairs. Yeah. You just want it, he says. Bro, I'm gonna beat your ass. Hey, bro, don't make me come out there. Get the hey, bro, I'll get the boxing gloves, dog. Why? Why? How do I know you're not gonna come here and shoot me? Do I trust him? I don't know if I trust him.
I know you're not putting that in the video.
Bro, I'm putting it in the video, bro.
Alright, I was gonna show you being a little bitch.
Not really. I just don't want to get shot, bro.
Little piece of bitch. You being a little bitch. Little bitch.
Hey, bro, don't shoot me. I ain't gonna shoot you, but don't shoot me. I'm hiding, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Hey, bro, don't shoot me. I ain't gonna shoot you, just don't shoot me, alright?
I don't trust your ass.
I ain't gonna. My finger's off the trigger.
Oh yeah, but you have the gun still.
Yeah, I still got the gun. But, like, I ain't gonna shoot you. Look here, ready? Slowly go.
Oh!
I'm not. I. Okay, watch this shit. He didn't get me.
Did I get you? What you doing over there, Trevor? Trevor.
I am Ben.
Joey, when's the next video coming out? Where's the video at? Oh, hey! Where's the video at, Paul? Ah! Yeah, where's the video at, Paul? What's up? Oh, my phone.
Did I get you?
You missed, you fuck.
What? How did I miss? Whoop. Oh, you can't shoot me out of there, you dumbass. Little bitch. Yo guys, okay, so at my apartment right now, there's someone outside. There's a cop breaking into someone's house. Look at this. Multiple cops, actually. Hold on. Hang on. I'm gonna take my camera off the tripod real quick. I don't know if you can see him, but he's over there. Yeah, he's right there in the window. There's another one. But he was just banging on the door saying like, if you don't open up, you're going to jail, motherfucker. It's pretty lit. That's crazy. Anyways, so yeah, that's interesting, I guess. I don't know. I'll let you know if there more happens, but I don't know. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hopefully y'all are having a beautiful day. What I got for you guys today is obviously a brand new video. Okay, this video is kind of all over the place. I don't really know what I'm doing with this video, but I got some stuff to show you guys and I'm pretty excited about it. One, before we get into the video, you know, I'm sorry for not uploading for those of you guys. I know I was hyping it all up in my last videos and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna upload all the time and shit. And it's been a minute. Alright, I know it's been a minute, so I'm sorry. But after this video, next couple days, I got some bangers coming out. So just stay tuned to the channel, turn on post notifications. If you guys are new, subscribe. Hit that fucking subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, guys, help me reach 500 subscribers. And we're on the road to 1,000. So if you guys can help me out with that, that'd be much appreciated. This shit ain't even open, bro. Anyway, so yeah, what we're gonna do before we get into this video is I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. Wait, that is getting into the video, dude. I don't know, bro. I'm all over the place. All right, bro. My head is like a scrambled egg, bro. It's. I got some stuff to show you guys, stuff to update you guys on. I got some new stuff. Okay, I'm pretty psyched about it. It's gonna help out with making videos. It's gonna make just like everything run smoother and faster, and it's gonna be great. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Are you ready? All right, cool. Are you sure you're ready? Maybe? No. It's all good, okay. Oh, hi there. How you doing? Oh, I actually didn't see you there just a second ago. Is there something on my lens? Oh, fuck, there's something on my lens, bro. Goddamn. I got it. Don't worry, guys. I fixed it. Oh, hi there. How you guys doing? Doing pretty good? Okay, well, anyways, let's get on with the video, goddamn. Bro, I really can't believe my roommate did me like this. He came in here, stole my chair, fucking gave me this really wood crapping piece of crap one. And I have to put a freaking movie car pillow on it so my butt doesn't hurt, bro. Bro, you can't be doing me like that, bro. He's coming in here so he can play his stupid video game, bro. What? Bro, he needs to buy a new chair, bro. You can't be taking my chair like that. I'm gonna go beat his ass. Alright, so since my roommate is whack as fuck, came in here and took my chair, I'm setting you guys up on this like really wobbly. Oh, shit. Whoa, dude, not cool, bro. This chair's broken. His fat ass sat on this shit and broke it. Look at this chair, bro. Like, look at this. Okay, so he came in here and look at that, bro. What do you mean, bro? I can't sit on this. I mean, I can, but you know, I don't really want to. All right, so what I got that's new is pretty exciting. Okay, I'm really hyped about it. Really excited because it's gonna help one with like rendering my videos, just doing everything video related. It's gonna help quite a bit. It's gonna help quite a bit because I got more power now. I got, you know, everything will just hopefully run smoother. I haven't actually edited on this computer yet or done anything on this computer other than just like using it for like, you know, web browsing and all that stuff, which it's really fast at doing, so that's pretty cool. But I don't know how it's gonna handle like rendering out videos, all that stuff. I don't know. It might work good, hopefully. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, I don't know if you know, it works good for rendering and stuff. Hopefully it does. It has more RAM now, so everything should run a little bit better, I think. So the computer I was using beforehand was this one down here. It's like this, it's an Intel Core i3, you know, HP Pavilion, fucking, I don't really know. But this computer has made all the videos on my channel since I was like 15. This was my grandma's computer, and then I got it when she died. And yeah, it's kind of a messed up story, but you know, I got her computer. And yeah, this thing is actually really good. It still works really good. I'm just gonna be using it for personal use, like family pictures, like all that stuff. That's just kind of not video related, I don't think, unless like this one kind of takes a crap on me. But yeah, so this is just a backup computer for now, just for whenever, you know, I want to use it for whatever, family pictures, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is what was getting the job done. It has like 6 gigabytes of RAM, it has a terabyte of hard drive, you know, just yeah, you know, just decent stuff. It's pretty good. It's a good computer, but it's just not good enough. And then I got this beast. Okay, like look at the size difference real quick. Like, it's a monster, bro. Okay, so it's just the case actually. This has, I'm not quite sure what's in it right now, but here. Okay, so here's what's in it. I don't know, there's some information underneath it that I don't know if I'm able to show because I don't want to get hacked or something. But it has a Ryzen 3 freaking processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, overall, it's just a better computer. I bought it from a guy on OfferUp for like 200 bucks, right? And he built it himself. And I just need to get a graphics card for it, for obviously better graphics and all that good stuff, right? I mean, cool. So I gotta get a graphics card for it. I could upgrade the RAM more if I want, but 16 gigabytes is pretty good. I don't think I'll need more than that really, but if I want to eventually later on. But yeah, I've never built a computer in my life, so I was messing with it and like trying to like learn it a little bit. And I know nothing, so you know, but I learned a little bit, kind of, I guess. But your boy also has got Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Okay, I only know how to use Photoshop really good. Premiere Pro, I'm okay with. And After Effects, I haven't even touched yet. But I got those 3, so I could be able to do, you know, just more stuff professionally, I guess. I mean, I can show you guys maybe the inside. I don't have any LED lights in there, but it has a MSI motherboard. Overall, it's a pretty good computer. I don't know, hopefully it renders this video out good and all that stuff and it handles it good. I really hope, otherwise I'm gonna have to upgrade it somehow later on, but you know, it's all an experiment for right now. But yeah, I got a new computer. I don't know, I didn't really get anything else new, it's just the computer. So I just kind of got that all set up now, and it's working good. And yeah, I got this like really bootleg version of Windows. So I had to factory reset the computer, or the guy did, because you know, all of his information was on it, and it deleted Windows completely. So now I have like a, it's whack. Okay, it's weird, I don't know. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know it wasn't anything super crazy. I recorded some bits in the beginning, as you guys saw and stuff, so hopefully you kind of enjoyed those. But yeah, I got a new computer now, so it's gonna help a lot with like editing, you know, rendering out videos, you know, editing photos, all that good stuff. It'll just make everything a little bit smoother. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I hope it doesn't fucking take a shit while I'm rendering a video or something, but it shouldn't, I don't think. That's just a little update. I do have some videos coming out here very soon in the next couple of days. I have them planned already. I just need to film them. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, as it is much appreciated. Help me reach 500 subs. We're on that road to 1,000. So, you know, if you guys could do that for me, it'd be much appreciated. And yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. And YouTube, we'll see you fucking later. Peace.